and welcome. My name is Savannah and I'm a registered nurse with the Cleveland Clinic. Last time we spoke, we talked about toxins in our personal products that we use on a daily basis. Today, we're going to talk about ways to eliminate toxins from your household cleaners. And what better way to know which ingredients go into your cleaners than you adding the ingredients yourself? That's right, we're going to talk about homemade household cleaners. First, we're going to talk about carpet cleaner. Now this is just a generic carpet cleaner, not a stain remover. We'll get there. 1 cup of baking soda, a half a cup of cornstarch, and you can add a scent by using essential oils. Mix the ingredients and then sprinkle into the carpets or rugs as needed. Allow the mixture to sit for 30 minutes and then vacuum it up. An all-purpose cleaner that you can create at home by using a few products. 3/4 of a cup of hydrogen peroxide, a half a cup of distilled white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of unscented liquid Castile soap, and essential oils for scent. Add to a spray bottle and shake before use. To give it an extra punch, you can spray the affected area and then add baking soda and scrub with a sponge. Homemade air freshener is my personal favorite. You can use 3 oranges, limes, or lemons, all sliced. Handful of fresh herbs such as basil, lavender, or rosemary. 2 to 4 cinnamon sticks, and 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. Place the ingredients in a medium to large pot and add water till it's about 3/4 of the way full. Bring to a boil and then reduce to simmer and allow your home to fill with the aroma. You can reuse this concoction if you refrigerate it and use it the following day. Homemade window and glass cleaner, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar, and a half a teaspoon of dish soap. Add the ingredients to a spray bottle and shake to combine. Spray and wipe. Floor cleaner, 1 gallon of distilled water and a half a cup of vinegar. Mix your ingredients in a bucket and then use to mop your floors. Carpet stain remover, 1/4 a cup of salt, 1/4 a cup of white vinegar, and 1/4 a cup of borax powder. Combine ingredients into a paste and apply to stained area. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. Allow to dry and sit for 24 hours and then vacuum. If a residue remains, you can use water to remove the residue and then blot with a clean cloth. Homemade dusting spray, 3 cups of water, 2 tea bags, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Boil the water and add the tea bags. Allow to cool and then add the mixture to a spray bottle. Include the lemon juice when adding to the spray bottle, and then you can use the spray on a cloth and dust. Those are just a few ways to eliminate some household cleaners that have toxins by creating your own. I hope you guys are enjoying these ways to eliminate toxins and are using them on your journey to living a healthier lifestyle.